In this lesson, we will learn about the auto-size text. Don't you have any experience that occur errors since the text has exceeded the specific space? To resolve these errors, either space or text must be adjusted. Auto-size text widget helps you determine the most fluid size text in a given space. We will try to determine the maximum number of rows through the maxline property and adjust the minimum font size through the min font size property. Also, if you exceed the specific space, you will use overflow to prevent errors. Adaptive UI is an integral part of every application. Today's applications have to work on different devices with different screen sizes on tablet, PCs, and mobiles. Now, regardless of the size of our application's contents, we should adjust our application according to the screen size. Flutter provides an auto-size text dependency that adjusts the screen according to the screen size and manipulates it on its own to provide an adaptive UI experience. Depending on the above dependency, the application text size will be adjusted. In this lesson, we will learn more about auto-size text by building a simple application. Let's see the code and execution screen on the third path. Naturally, to use open source packages that always require, we must import the corresponding plugins. So like this, using auto-size text widget is very easy because it has the same structure as the previously used text widget. And we can learn some additional things, which is maximum line and minimum font size and overflow property. So we can set a maximum line of text and minimum font size, and we can decide which result to derive when overflow occurs. So let's explore it gradually while looking at the code for the body. So we create auto-size text widget like this. It's like a regular text widget, and we write the contents here and the font here, and font size style like here. At this point, we also use the max lines property like this. This max lines property allows us to set the maximum number of lines in opposed to a number. Currently, we can write up to 5 lines, so the text size also stays at 60 as we said. But what if we set the max line to 2 from 5? Can you guess? So let's change the code and see what happens, like this. Since we just reduced the value of max lines property, the text is displayed on 2 lines like this, and the font size and letter spacing are automatically reduced to fit in 2 lines. In other words, it ignores the 60 font sizes that we set. Now let's learn about the min font size and overflow properties of the auto-size text widget. We're going to create another auto-size text widget as above and set the contents and text style. Min font size, as we can see from the name, is the minimum font size applied when the text is automatically adjusted. So we set it to 18. Also, we can set max lines to 2. We have set a minimum size of 18 and max lines of 2. But what if the text contents exceeds this? The overflow property immediately determines this. We can set to treat text as an ellipsis when it overflows. As we can see on the execution screen, the ellipsis has been successfully applied, and this ... appears at the end of the paragraph. Also, instead of an ellipsis, there's another way to handle when text overflows. The overflow replacement property replaces the text widget with another widget when overflow occurs. So here, we intentionally set the max lines to 1 to induce overflow. So we're going to replace the existing text with serif string too long like this when overflow occurs. Shall we replace it with another widget instead of text once? So we're going to change to an icon. Alright, I just replaced the text widget to icon widget, and as you can see on the excursion screen, we put a cute pink heart and run. We can see a refreshing heart every time an overflow happens. Today, we learn about a new open source package, AutoSize Text. Don't forget it, as it is a convenient and often used package. It is time to finish this lesson on AutoSize Text. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.